Come in. How are you? Hi everyone, welcome in. Thank you for joining the live. If you are working every single day, but your salary is still feeling like it's not enough, and it's starting to feel like you need an extra income to get by, then this live is for you. Maybe your salary comes in, and before you even have time to enjoy it, it already has other responsibilities. And I think for most people, before the salary comes in, it already has an assignment. Uh, Bills, school fees, groceries. You need to help your family. Um, the kids need to be taken care of, and so on and so forth. So 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 by the time you've handled everything and taken care of everyone, then there's like little to nothing left. And 5 days later, it's almost like you are scared to check your bank account because you know exactly what you're gonna find. How many of you guys have ever had that feeling? Guys, please like and share the live. And then when you talk about this to other people, they will tell you, just get another job, just work harder. But the thing is, how can you work harder when you are already working 8 to 12 hours every single day? Hi, digital growth. How are you? When you are already working 12 to 8 hours a day, like where are you gonna find like another extra 8 hours? In this, where are you gonna find the time to work that second job? Type a one in the comment if you can relate to anything that I'm saying. I mean, who these days actually has the time for another job? I mean, you work all day uh, and then you have to like go to another job. No one has time for another job. And that is exactly why I started looking into digital marketing because I didn't want another job. I wanted another option. Do you agree with me, Nisi? Do you agree with me, Marta? Hi, my name is Zita, and I help working women and beginners understand how they can start digital marketing and build an online business around the life that they already have. So I basically help people to build an online business around the life that they already have. And tonight I want to show you guys something practical. I want to show you guys what you guys can actually do during a I want to show you guys like what you guys can actually do during a 2-hour workday on your online business. I want to show you guys like the difference it can make when you work 2 hours a day on your online business. Because saying 2 hours work, you only have to work 2 hours a day, and that sounds very nice, and it's much better than getting a second job where you have to work 8 hours. And I will also help you guys and show you guys like what you guys need to do during those 2 hours. Because like a lot of people, they might not know what to do during those 2 hours, but I will show you guys or explain it to you guys like what you guys need to do during those 2 hours. So stay with me because I'm gonna break the 2 hours down for you. If you're watching me and you've ever thought I need another source of income, but I do not have the time to go work another job, type me in the comment section. Here's what I see beginners do all the time, right? They get like an overload of information. They save 100 TikTok videos. They watch different YouTube tutorials. They follow 10 different coaches. One person says post like 3 times a day. Another person says do an email list. Another says do affiliate marketing. Another person says go live. And after consuming all of that information, that leaves beginners feeling very like overwhelmed. Because let's face it, no one is really showing them what to do first. Or what to do first and like how to start this thing. And sometimes like more information is not always the answer. Sometimes structure and order is the answer. You need to be shown what to do first. And yeah, we're gonna talk about that a little bit in the live and that is why I'm gonna keep coming back to this. You need one audience, one message, one offer, and one lead path. And no, you do not need a big following to start. You do not need to know everything when you start. You need to know who you are speaking to, who your ideal customer is. You need to understand their problem. You need to offer them something useful, something that's going to help them solve their problems. And yeah, you need like a simple way to get people interested in taking the next step. And that is where your 2-hour workday becomes very, very powerful. Guys, please like and share the live. And please repost and share and follow me, please. Because now you are not just starting to work online. You have specific jobs to do during those 2 hours. What to do during those 2-hour workdays? Guys, please like and share the live. Please share and repost, guys, so that this can reach more people, because lives like this changes the lives of other people. Let me break this down for you guys very simply. If I had only 2 hours to build an online income business, I would divide those 2 hours into 4 brackets. 30 minutes of learning. 30 minutes of learning. Use the first 30 minutes, right, to learn one thing that helps move your business forward. Not random motivational videos, not endless scrolling, actual training. For example, how do you create better content? How do you speak to your ideal customer? How do you follow up with leads? How do you create a simple sales process? How do you explain your offer? Like learn one thing. Then after those 30 minutes, stop learning. Because at some point, learning becomes procrastination. The second 30 minutes, create content. The second 30 minutes, create content. Now use what you have learned. Create 1 or 2 pieces of content, right? Maybe it is a TikTok video or Facebook post or Instagram post or a YouTube video, whatever social media platform you use. It can be a carousel or like a short educational post. Your content should usually do one of the following 3 things: teach, build trust, or make an offer. And your content should always speak to the real problem that your ideal customer is facing. For example, right? For example, one salary or your salary is no longer enough. I don't have time for another job. I want to start digital marketing, but I don't know where to begin. I've been posting and nothing is happening. Those are conversations that your ideal audience is already having in their own head. Guys, please like and share the live. I would really appreciate that. The third 30 minutes. The third 30 minutes. This is the part many beginners avoid. Reply to comments. Reply to comments, reply to messages, follow up with people who asked for more information. Talk to leads, ask questions. Understand what they actually need. People buy when they understand you. Trust and believe that what you offer may help solve the real problem. Do not spend hours hiding behind content. Have conversations. Like for me, for example, right? If one of you guys were now to DM me on this app, then I will respond to you guys. And I will answer your questions, whatever questions you guys may have. Or if people reach out to me via WhatsApp, then I will respond to them and answer all of their questions. The final 30 minutes. Build the system. Use the last 30 minutes to improve one part of your business. Maybe update your website. Improve your lead page. Write a follow-up email. Schedule tomorrow's content. By the way, guys, my content is already like scheduled 2 days in advance. Write a follow-up email. Schedule tomorrow's content. Study your analytics. Improve your call to action. Work on an offer. Or organize your leads. So your hours, 2 hours will look like this: 30 minutes learning, 30 minutes creating, 30 minutes connecting, 30 minutes building. So for the 2 focused hours, right, you're going to be working on building a better future for yourself, building your business. Like, you guys don't have to like do it, like you can divide up the 2 hours, maybe 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes during your lunch, another 45 minutes, at night, and 15 minutes, like before you go home from work or something. And guys, try go live at least 3 to 4 times a week. That is completely different from randomly being online for 2 hours. And 2 focused hours a day can make a huge difference. This breakdown makes more sense. If this breakdown makes a lot of sense for you guys, type 2 hours in the comments. And if you guys have any questions, right, please ask them. I am open to you guys asking questions. And also, please like and share the live, guys. Hi, Digital Mastery Kid, how are you? For everybody who has just joined, my name is Zita. I help working women and beginners learn how to build a simple online business around the existing responsibilities. And one of the biggest things I talk about in my life is structure. I'm good in you because I do not think beginners need another like 500 random tips. They need structure and they need order. So I help working women who wants to earn an extra income start an online business. And I also help them with the structure of it. And the reason why I also help with the structure of it, because you need to know what to do first and what comes next. And that is also why I share this free resource, which is called the Freedom Formula Blueprint. Think of the blueprint as your introduction. I am from the Overberg region in the Western Cape, and you? It helps you understand the bigger picture before you start throwing money at random programs, tools, or strategies. So if you want to start, right, but you are not sure which package to start with, hi, hi, wow, that is so nice, Australia. Can you give me a follow, a Digital Mastery Kid, and then I will follow you right back. And it is so nice to see that I'm reaching people internationally. And yeah, uh, like, this is definitely a dream come true. I'm so grateful that I'm reaching people overseas. Okay, so the reason why I recommend the blueprint, by the way, it is a free resource, is so that you can it is so that you can like if you're not sure like what package to start with, then you can go through the free Freedom Formula blueprint, and then so that you can go through the free Freedom Formula blueprint, and then and so that you can decide which package is best for you. What request is that? Digital Mastery Kit? Because the free Freedom Formula blueprint helps you understand the bigger picture before you start your digital mastery uh, digital marketing journey. And I want to say something important. Do not So yeah, I want you guys to understand something very important. Um, like when you guys start a digital marketing journey with me, when you guys start a digital marketing journey with me, and you guys don't understand something, please ask. That is something that is very important to me. Because the best starting point, and like when you guys choose a package, right? Choose the package that you feel is best for you. And you must choose a package that you feel is best for you. The best starting point is the starting point that solves the problem that you are currently having. Okay, so I'm gonna break down the Legacy Builders packages for you now. Okay, so when you guys buy the Launchpad is $100. So for the $100 Launchpad, you get 72 e-learning lessons. So for the Launchpad, which is $100, so for $100, you get 72 e-learning lessons. And those e-learning lessons are aimed towards helping you earn income online. And it is designed for somebody who who's like at the beginner stage. So for someone who wants to know the basics. Okay, so the $300 option. Okay, so the $300 option, which is the passive daily pay, blueprint option, it is 300. It is $300, and for this package or in this package, you get 108 e-learning lessons, and that would be like so it's 108 e-learning lessons for $300. And in this package, we go deeper into lead generation, marketing, and content creation. So you get even more information. So you get like the information of the Launchpad, plus more information on marketing, uh, marketing, lead generation, and content creation. So you get a lot more modules and you get a lot more information, all for $300. So the $600 option, which is the digital mastery option, right? Um, that is $600. In So at this level, it is 129 e-learning lessons for the price of $600. So for $600, you get 129 e-learning lessons. So it would include the lessons, all of the lessons of the previous packages, plus some extra lesson, plus some extra lessons that gives you more advanced training and a broader understanding of digital marketing. Again, so I'm going to repeat this again. So you get, for the $600 option, you get 129 e-learning lessons. It gives you all of the lessons of the previous packages. It would include all of the lessons of the previous packages, plus extra information, plus extra lessons that gives you more advanced training and a broader understanding of digital marketing. Are you guys still with me? Type yes if you guys are still with me. Sebastian, how are you? Okay, so next is the $900 option. The 900 Legacy Builders program, the $900 Legacy Builders program includes 228 e-learning lessons. That would include the lessons of all of the other previous programs that I have mentioned, plus it would also include extra information that is much more comprehensive. You are learning across more areas instead of just focusing on only one small part of the business. So you get the lessons of all of the other trainings included in this, plus extra bonus training. Okay, so the last package. The last package is the bundle pack. The bundle pack includes 323 e-learning lessons. That would include all of the other previous packages lessons, plus some extra information. And this is the largest option, the largest package. Again, for the bundle pack, which is $1,400, you get 323 e-learning lessons, which would include all of the lessons of the previous packages that I mentioned, plus some more extra information. And this combines a much wider range of lessons and resources. So here are the numbers again. For $100, you get 72 e-learning lessons. For $300, you get 108 e-learning lessons. For $600, you get 129 e-learning lessons. For $900, you get 228 e-learning lessons. For $1,400, you get 323 e-learning lessons. And this is why I want people to stop looking only at the price. Look at the value that you are getting. Look at the amount of lessons you are getting. Look at the value you are getting. Look at what you are actually learning. Look at the problems that it solves. Look at the look at the support and the training that it gives you. And guys, we do have payment plan options as well. We do have payment plan options as well for you guys. So yeah, you guys can pay it off in like 2 or 3 months if you guys don't want to pay all at once. Okay, so how does the reselling work? Another part of the legacy builders model is the reselling. So in short, I'm going to explain to you guys very shortly. If you now resell $100 package, then you get $100 and you make 100% profit from it. If you now sell a $300 package, then you make a profit of $300. And guys, when you resell all of these programs, right, you make 100% profit. You don't have to share it with anyone. So when you resell these products, you don't have to share your profit with anyone. Your profit is 100% yours. But guys, you also have to still put in the work. You have to put in the work. You have to market and put out content and do advertising. You still have to do all of that. For anybody that is joining me now, hi, my name is Zita. I help working women and beginners, and I show them how to build online business without trying to do everything all at once. This is the simple process I want you guys to remember. Content, trust, leads, offer, and sales. First people find your content. Then they begin to understand what you talk about. Then they begin to understand what you guys talk about. Then they begin trusting you. Hi Lesego, how are you? And then they begin to trust you. And then once they trust you, some of them become leads. And then you show them your offer, or they see your offer once they're on your website, or they see like more of your content, and then they become like a customer, or and eventually they buy. That is the business. But guys, the only way you are going to make a success out of this is if you stay consistent. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to know everything. You just have to be consistent. You have to show up yourself consistent. And don't get discouraged if your stuff takes a little bit longer than everybody else. Eventually you will get there as well. And I was also want to make the following very clear, right? Like this business, it is not like post one video or do one live, wake up tomorrow morning, and then all of a sudden you become rich. No, you are actually gonna have to put in some effort. You are gonna have to put in the work. You're gonna have to go live. You're gonna have to post your content. You're gonna have to like do ads, whether it be paid ads or free ads. Can you become rich because of this? Yes, absolutely. In South Africa, we have like over 30 millionaires because of digital marketing. So yes, you can become rich, but you need to put in the effort, like I'm putting in the effort right now. And this is why that working the 2 focused hours, guys, is so important. So that for those 2 hours you post your content. You guys can do also batch content, right? Um, like for example, every Sunday you create your content for the week, and then you schedule it, so that in advance. So you schedule it in advance so that every day your content like goes live, or yeah, goes on your social media. Because let's face it, some days it gets a little busy and you won't necessarily have time to post and or create content. So this is why creating your content in advance, batch content, and scheduling it in advance is so important. So that on those days where you don't have time to post and create content, you can rest easy because you've already created batch content, and it's already scheduled, and it will be released by TikTok or whatever social media platform you use. It will be released at a certain time, and it will also like save up time for you so that you can go live, or you can spend more time on like posting ads or whatever. And guys, during the 2 hour lives, right? Please remember to go through your training for like a few hour, like a half an hour, or and remember to create your content. If you guys don't wanna like do batch content or whatever, um, remember that remember to improve your business as often as you can, and remember that all of the lessons, right, which is in the digital marketing or slash the legacy builders program, all of the lessons are designed to help you earn money, but you have to plug into the teachings, you have to plug into the system, and be willing to learn. Are you guys still with me? And you guys have to show up consistently for yourself. And guys, you guys are gonna make mistakes. That is fine. But please remember, like, learn from your mistakes, and like we're all still building, we are all still uh doing better than what we were doing yesterday. You can make mistakes, but make progress and improve. And don't be too hard on yourself, and work hard, and remember why you guys started this. Hi, finest. And so now I want to speak directly to the working woman. And especially I want to speak to the woman that's sitting there thinking, right? See, this sounds great, but I'm tired. Girl, I work 12 hours a day. When I go to work, I work 12 hours a day. See, that sounds great, but I understand. But Zita now wants to tell you, I understand. I work 12 hours a day. You go to work, you wake up, you go to work, you you have to deal with people all day, you have to meet deadlines, you come home, right? And then you have to take care of your kids and you have to help your parents out. And so I get that even when you come home, you still have extra responsibilities. I get that. But what I also get, right, is that nothing changes if nothing changes. You think, okay, you want a better future for your kids, but if you don't change and carve out the time to do so, then nothing will change. You have to put in the effort to do that. And yeah, like you might be thinking, okay, there are still things that needs to be done, right? And now you're telling, and now I'm sitting here telling you that you need to carve out like 2 hours. You need to carve out like 2 hours out of your already busy day to start an online business. Guys, it is totally possible. And I know that that can sound overwhelming and like intimidating, but guys, it is possible. If me who works 12 hours a day can do it, so can you. And yeah, things will be so much easier if you guys batch create your content and schedule your content for posting in advance. Trust me, that makes a world of difference. And that is why I do not tell people, and I don't tell people like quit your job today or tomorrow. No, I don't tell people that. I tell people that you can, like, even while you're working, you can start your digital marketing online business while you're working around your busy life so that you can start building to that better future, to more financial freedom, to a better future for you and your kids, so that when the time is right, then you can quit your job. You don't need to quit your job overnight. And here's the thing, your job are currently paying your bills. And what I'm saying to you guys is start building options while you still have your current job. You could even split your 2 hours. You could even split your 2 hours. You do not need to sit down for 2 hours straight. Like I said, I think I mentioned this earlier in the live, like maybe a half an hour in the morning, a half an hour during lunch, 15 minutes. If you take like tea time, 15 minutes then, and another 45 minutes at night. Or maybe 30 minutes before work, 30 minutes during lunch, 1 hour in the evening, or even or 1 hour early in the morning and 1 hour at night. Build this business around your real life. Do not build a business or do not build a business schedule you cannot maintain. Don't build a business schedule that you cannot maintain. Be disciplined and be consistent. And be willing to adjust. Be willing to adjust. We need it. Because beats consistency beats plan beats an unrealistic plan that cannot be like kept. Like what I mean by that is if you now for let's just say on a Saturday, right, you go live for 6 hours. Are you gonna be able to keep that up every single day? Or for at least like 4 times a week? No, because life happens. So be willing to adjust and be a little bit flexible. If you are only able to go live for like, let's say 10 minutes, do that because 10 minutes is better than not going live at all. And if you're not able to go live like every single day, that's okay too. but at least try to go live 3 or 4 times a week consistently. Okay, what would I do if I was starting today? Like, what would I do? Here's what I would do, right? If I was starting today from zero, I would do exactly this. I would pick my ideal customer, which is working woman. I would pick one painful problem for them. I would make them one offer, and then I would choose a simple lead path. Lead path would be, in my case, it would be comment the word info, and then I will direct you to my website. And once you guys are on my website, type in your email address and then click the button that says yes, I want the free blueprint. Okay, and then every day I would spend 2 hours doing this. Learn something useful, create useful content, talk to real people, improve the system, improve my knowledge, then repeat. And now I wouldn't change my business model like every 3 days. I won't copy every trend. I would I wouldn't buy like 5 courses or something like that. I would build one thing properly, like I'm doing now. I am building this properly and I'm sticking to it. And that is what creates clarity. It creates clarity with yourself and with your ideal customer. And your customer, like, they will understand if you don't do things perfectly, like you are human too, but at least you are being consistent and you are improving. So if you are watching this, right, and you are thinking, I'm interested in digital marketing, but I need somebody to explain to me where I should start. Comment info below or comment info under like any one of my posts, or you can even DM me or WhatsApp me the word info. I can send you the information so that you can have a look at the Freedom Formula Blueprint, which is a free resource that is offered. It will help you understand which package to choose, and it will also help you understand digital marketing much better. And you do not need to make a decision while watching the live. You can if you want to, that is up to you. Look at the information on the free Freedom Formula Blueprint, understand what is included, ask questions. You guys can DM me or WhatsApp me your questions. I will be more than happy to answer. Decide whether or not it fits you. And remember, you do not necessarily need another job, but you do need another option. Comment info under any one of my posts, or DM me the word info, or WhatsApp me the word info, and I will send you all of the information that you need, and I will also give you access to the free Freedom Formula Blueprint. So comment info under any one of my posts, and I will send you like all of the information to the free Freedom Formula Blueprint, or WhatsApp me the word info, and I will send you the information, or DM me the word info, and I will send you all of the information to the free Freedom Formula Blueprint. Thank you guys so much. Bye. Enjoy your day.